Though science is considered to be one of the slaves of mankind, though science is considered to be one of the slave of mankind, yet nowadays it has acquired more vigor and strength than man himself and has therefore become a threat to mankind. Dear audience, we know that science has made a miraculous progress since 20th century. It has contracted the whole world by means of communication and transport. It has done miracles in the field of medicine, textile, architect, and electrical and mechanical engineering. It has greatly relieved and comforted our daily lives to such an extent that nowadays a man can do 9 jobs out of every 10, sitting in his chair and enjoying the luxurious of science. In short, it has revolutionized every walk and field of life. But if we deliberate for a single moment, we might find that mankind has achieved rational development at the stake of morality. Alongside all the blessings of science and technology, it has bestowed atom bombs, nuclear bombs, biological weapons, and multi-purpose missiles which can efface the whole globe in a single moment. As someone has said, when we shook the tree of knowledge, bombs fell down. As every nation and state is trying by all the fair and foul means to become a superpower and to lead the world, there is an intense need for moral approach all over the world in order to demonstrate the bewildering progress of science and technology, and the brittle such inhuman scientists and rulers from curtailing the liberty and freedom of other human beings. Almost all the nations have one religion or the other somewhat code of morality. The necessity is the only to adhere to them, for all the religion preach love, brotherhood, and peace. So we shall have to honor and consider the human being just as ourselves. Only in this way we can create a peaceful world and lead useful lives. Nothing can be said which we way the winds of progress in science and technology will take us. May God bless us and our coming generation or making constructive use of science. Amen. Thank you.